Hudur Mufti Azam Hind radiallahu anh was the Imam of Ruhaniyat of his zamana. He was the Imam of Tasawwuf, he was the greatest Sufi of his time. Nobody in that zamana was like that. Huzur Mujahid Millat, Hazrat Maulana Shah Habibur Rahman, Huzur Mujahid Millat was a contemporary of Mufti Azam. Mufti Azam ke zamane mein the. Ye wo wali hai, ye wo bande hai. He is that personality that would not, or rather, when he entered Bareilly Sharif, railway junction of Bareilly, to apne joote utar dete the. He never walked with shoes in Bareilly Sharif. यानी बरेली में नंगे पैर चलते थे. अगर बरेली की इतनी अदब थी उनके दिल में, तो सोचो मदीना का क्या अदब था उनका. What must have been his love for Medina Sharif? Very great wali Allah, Hudur Mujahid Millat. Very, very great wali. But when he used to come to visit Mufti Azam, he was a contemporary. He was a giant of Islam. But when he used to come to visit Mufti Azam, he used to sit in the back of Ala Hadrat's masjid. And when Mufti Azam used to turn and walk, he used to cry. He used to look at Mufti Azam and cry. And he used to say, mere Shah aa rahe hai. My king is coming. And as he would come towards Mufti Azam would start walking. And the people would start to move away. He would get up and he would rush towards Mufti Azam. And those that saw this manzar, this beautiful scenario, what did they say? They say, we were seeing that Mujahid Millat, alayhim rahmah, comes towards Huzur Mufti Azam Hind and trying to hold the hand of Mufti Azam and kiss his hand. On the other hand, Mufti Azam is trying to hold the hand of Mujahid Millat and kiss his hand. Each are trying to show the respect to each other. This how the awliya of the zamana respected Mufti Azam. And do you know this adab that Mufti Azam trying to kiss his hand? The awliya Allah, how much they respect each other, do you know? And how Ala Hazrat's beloved sons were taught respect from Ala Hazrat. Qutb Madina Hazrat Sayyidina Shaykh Ziyauddin al-Madani radiallahu anhu. Qutb Madina Hazrat Sayyidina Shaykh Ziyauddin al-Madani radiallahu anhu says that when I went to Bareilly Sharif, I had left my shoe on the chaukat, on the doorstep of Ala Hazrat's house. When I went to meet my Murshad, he said, when I went in and as I came out, I saw Hujjatul Islam taking a cloth and cleaning my shoe. इस बात को जरा समझना चाहिए. हुज्जतुल इस्लाम रदियल्लाहु अन्हु उनके जूते साफ कर रहे थे. He says, I went to grab my shoes from his hands. He said, I'm not just cleaning your shoe, I'm not shining your shoe because you are Ziyauddin. I'm shining it because you are Ziyauddin Madani. Because you have come from Medina Sharif. This is the adab that Ala Hazrat put in his awlad. Mufti Azam Hind radiallahu anhu's love for Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Mufti Azam was the Imam of the pious in his zamana. He was the Imam of the pious and of the Imam of the awliya of his zamana. He was the Ghawsus Zama. He was the Qutub of his Zama. He was the Imam of his Zama. But how much of ibadat he made, I told you at the age of almost 90, 92. He stood and read namaz with such a serious and grave injury. But Mufti Azam Hind radiallahu anh, what does he say? After so much of taqwa, so much of ibadat, so much of everything, what does he say? मेरे आमाल का बदला तो जहन्नम ही था. मेरे आमाल का बदला तो जहन्नम ही था. मैं तो जाता, मुझे सरकार ने जाने ना दिया. मैं तो जाता. He is saying, मेरे आमाल का बदला तो जहन्नम ही था. And that is his inkisari. That is his inkisari. Because in the sadqa of his amal, we will get Jannat. In the sadqa of his amal, we will get Jannat. But he is saying, मेरे amal का बदला तो जहन्नम ही था. और हम जो है आज एक दो चीज कर लेते तो उस पे फख्र करने लगते हैं कि हमसे ज्यादा कोई मुत्तकी और परहेजगार नहीं. Nobody is more pious than us. We are being played by shaitan. We are being played by shaitan. We are becoming the toys of shaitan. That shaitan moves us in whichever direction. And this will happen when you leave the pious people. It will happen when you leave the pious. So you must make dua. Allah protects us from this. Hudur Mufti Azam's life, I can tell you much, much, much more. Many hours more. But I'm not going to do that. All I want to make you understand is that Mufti Azam is such a great wali. And his greatest karamat was his istiqamat. And thereafter, my belief, this is my view, maybe somebody doesn't hold the same view as me, but my view is this, that after his istiqamat and his blessed performances like that, to me right now, the greatest karamat of Mufti Azam is Taj al-Sharia and Muhaddis Kabir. The greatest karamat of Mufti Azam, the living karamat that we are seeing with our eyes, is Huzur Taj al-Sharia and Huzur Muhaddis Kabir. So if you want to gain the blessing of this karamat, you must get nisbat to these personalities. And you must follow what they say. Remember, and I'm going to end with this. Many people say, no need to follow this maslaki ala Hazrat. What is maslaki ala Hazrat? Why must we follow this? Jo sab kar rahe, hum bhi karte rahe. Go with the crowd. See, if the crowd goes towards the slaughterhouse, does not mean you must go also. Allah gave us akal, He gave us intelligence. And maslaki ala Hazrat is not some new religion. It is not some new deen. Maslaki ala Hazrat is what ala Hazrat taught us, which came down from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That is maslaki ala Hazrat. And in this zamana, maslaki ala Hazrat is a fortress for us. It is the thing that is protecting us. Ala Hazrat radiallahu anh didn't tell you what he wanted from his pocket. Ala Hazrat told you what has been given to him from the court of Ghaus-e Azam radiallahu anh. Ala Hazrat radiallahu anh, do you know how Ala Hazrat was with Ghaus-e Azam? How Ala Hazrat was with Ghaus-e Azam? Ala Hazrat was and is with Ghaus-e Azam like a pen in the hand of the writer. Ala Hazrat chu kalam dar dast katib. Ala Hazrat is in the hand of Ghaus-e Azam like a pen in the hand of the writer. The pen cannot move by itself until the writer moves it. The pen cannot move by itself until the writer moves it. So every move of Ala Hazrat is the move of Ghaus-e Azam radiallahu ta'ala. Every move of Ala Hazrat is the move of Ghaus-e Azam radiallahu anh. So those who follow him are following the move of Ghaus-e Azam radiallahu ta'ala. This is all you need to understand. अगर ये समझ गए तो सब कुछ समझ गए. यही काफी है. This is enough. मुत्तकी बनकर दिखाए इस जमाने में कोई एक मेरे मुफ्ती आदम का तकवा छोड़कर. हमारे बलाग. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.